So, welcome back. This next video was taken on August 2nd, which just happened to be mine and Jimmy's 500th day together, so that was really exciting. And just by chance again, there was a firework festival in Yokohama, and I really wanted to go, but Jimmy was really tired. But after some persuasion, he agreed to come with me. And so I was just so thankful that he said yes, because on an event like that, it just seems like it makes it so much more special when you can share it with somebody. And it was really fun to have him also doing some filming himself. He really likes the idea that I'm doing some videos, and that just helps me out so much because he's willing to be in the videos and he's willing to help out, and I'm just really thankful. So if you want to see some really cool fireworks, then just keep watching. We're just about to head out to some fireworks in Yokohama. It's tonight at 7 and it takes us about half an hour to get there. So let's go. Fine. None of these cats are very nice in our neighborhood. I try to pet that one sometimes, but he doesn't like me either. Going to. Oh, lucky bastard. Other way, Jimmy. This way. Just to get on the freaking train. Holy smokes. Oh my god. So we just got to Minatamirai station and we're going to see some fireworks, but I don't think we've ever seen this place so crowded. A lot of people are wearing their kimono, but I don't really know why, so I'll try to find out. we stopped a Caucasian man and asked him, because he was dressed up in kimono as well, and he just said that they dress up in kimono just for this fireworks festival. So I don't know if it's for something specific, but it seems like everybody's doing it. Supposed to start at 7, so maybe it'll start right now. Oh no, they're behind that building.
Should we go up there?
No, they can't just be over there. Maybe that was just preliminary. They blocked off every way to get into where the park in the front is. There's like a million freaking people out here. God, I don't even know how we're gonna get over there.
Just keep waiting.
Look, I can see the reflection. This is probably the best we're gonna get. And now we're getting the hell out of here as quick as we can before we get trampled by some big mob. And I think we left at the right time because we don't hear the fireworks anymore. But we're super starved, so we're gonna try and find some food if we can. So we made it back to Yokosuka. We decided not to stay in Yokohama because of the crazy crowds. If we stayed any longer, we'd probably just get trapped in the subway. So we just came home. We're just gonna eat something easy and then take the bus back home. This is a place we go quite often. Jimmy calls it beef bowl, but in reality we don't really know what it's called in Japanese. Here is a pretty common machine you see in many restaurants. So you just choose if you're going to stay or go, and then you look through the menu until you find what you want. And there's two different sizes, usually a regular or a small. So Jimmy's deciding how much he wants to eat or how much he can pay for. Then you can choose what size of rice you want. After that, you just put in your money, and if it goes in correctly, then you just get a little ticket, and then it'll give you your change, and then you're good to go. Once you sit down, you can have soy sauce or extra dressings. You can put ginger on and pour yourself some water, and then they just prepare it for you, and then they'll just sit it in front of you when they're done. So it looks like Jimmy ordered some chicken with eggplant, and he's just grabbing some dressing to put on his salad, the same one that we buy and have at our house. There's also a big bowl of rice and some miso soup. Mine has a soft egg on top with kimchi and beef, and then I have miso soup on the side, and it's so delicious. I get it every time. Come to the stairs and say goodbye. To everyone. Just show your head then.
Bye.
So we made it back home, and we're just gonna take a shower and and then just go to bed. It's 9:30, so it's late for Jimmy because he feels tired. Jimmy. Okay, bye.